This is a brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab LT, gray over black interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, heated steering wheel, heated seats, USBs front and rear for your phone, traction control, satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, remote start. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. Brand new, available now, AutoNation Chevrolet.